Hi guys, in today's video I would like to show you how you can set up your AIM using app which is stored on AIM's SD card. So first you need to connect one end of USB cable to your computer, the other end to the USB of AIM, and then you can turn on the AIM. Wait until it's loaded. Then you can hit menu, go all the way up to settings and select USB file transfer. As I mentioned before, this app is stored on its SD card. Okay, so once you have loaded your AIM, just look for aim.configuration.jar and try to double click on it to open it. If it doesn't work, you probably need to install Java Runtime Environment and just click open your browser, type in JRE, it stands for Java Runtime Environment, click on Oracle link and it's gonna open download page, accept license agreement, and then you will be able to download it and then install it. Once you have done your installation and it still doesn't work, as in my case, you probably have a wrong path set up. Just type in regedit and try to follow hkey local machine /software/classes jar file shell open command. Follow that path, and here you can see all the tree. So from the top it goes like that, and try to look for the path as I showed you, and when you are done with it, just double click on default and we are going to edit this command. In my case, I have JDK13 selected, but I need to change it to Java Runtime Environment. So you should know where you have installed your Java Runtime Environment. In my case, it's almost the same. It's in D, Program Files. You can have it on C. Select Java, and here's an older version of JDK, but I need to select JRE, Java Runtime Environment, copy that folder name, and if you want you can copy your whole path, but I know that I need only to replace that part, only that directory, and the rest of the path should be the same. If you open it, you can see their bin folder, and then just you can look for Java WXZ. So it should be somewhere down there. As you can see, it's there. So the path it's correct, and just be careful only to edit that path between those quotes, and don't mess up those arguments after those quotes. So double check this path, and when you are done, just click OK and close a registry editor. And after that, you can also close your folder and double click on AIM configuration tool. It's being opened. Now it's open, and here you can change, for example, your radio, power, and all the settings. So I can increase the radio power to 8 dBm, because in Europe Union its limit only up to 10 milliwatts, but when you are in USA you can increase the power all the way up to 100 milliwatts. So it depends where you live, so you can go up to 100 milliwatts. And also we can change the channel just by sliding, using that slider. And you can change your team code. It's sort of a password. And in order to see your teammates, you need to have the same team code and the same radio channel. And also you need to receive satellites to see each other. So in here you can change whatever you want. For example, your user ID. You can type in, for example, your friend's name. It's Martin, for example. My name is Victor, because I'm user B. And also you can change your altitude of players, enable distance of players, and you can decide if you want to see or not dead players. So, and also you can, for example, change your time zone. It depends what part of the year is. And you can you can close that app, and we can check it. So everything is saved, because that Java app saves everything in real time as you type in things. So everything is okay, then you can close your folder. Okay, let's assume that you have accidentally deleted all the files, including AIM configuration tool. So let's select all and delete all the files. Let's assume this accidentally happened. It doesn't matter, because AIM can create on its own these files, except the Java jar file. But if you did this, you can go to web browser, go to our eShop, then click on support, then click on downloads and download AIM configuration tool. It's downloaded in a zip file, so you can open AIM's SD card and extract that file into that folder. So it's being extracted. So now you can close this zip file and browser, and now if you double click on it, this AIM tool is going to generate all those missing files. So just double click on it, it's being opened, it's working hard to create all those files, and as you can see, all those files have been created with default values. So now you can edit, for example, your user ID, type in your friend's name, for example, type in my name, Victor, change all the settings as you want, and then you can close the app, and then you can close all the windows and hit the disconnect button on your AIM device. So when you are done, just hit disconnect on your AIM device, and you can check your settings by pressing and holding power button, and here you can see all the settings. And keep in mind that team code and radio channel should match with your teammates, otherwise you won't see each other. That's all. Thank you. Bye.